are brave, innovative, everywhere. We are SABRIC.
The act of money muling is a form of money laundering, and we have SABRIC CEO Kalyani Pillay back in the loft to explain why you could be criminally liable if you open a bank account for someone else to use or allow someone else to move money through your bank account. Welcome back to the loft, Kalyani.
Thank you so much, Teresa.
Kalyani, please start from the beginning. What is money muling?
Well, money muling is where somebody gets you to transfer monies through your account on their behalf. So it's really about transporting money for somebody else, but doing it through your own bank account. Also, what happens is that the criminals also get people to open bank accounts, hand over those accounts to them so that they can transport and or they can do transactions on it. So it's a couple of things that can actually be done.
How can you prevent being a money mule?
Well, for one, you should never ever allow anybody at all to allow you to move money through your account on their behalf. So if somebody comes up to you and says, look, I've got some monies, and for whatever reason they give you, you need to make sure that you absolutely don't agree at all to them allowing this money to come through your account and then withdrawing the money and giving it to them, or alternatively also giving them the card so that they can go ahead and start manipulating that money or drawing it out or doing whatever to it. So it's very important for you not to allow anybody to do that.
So, Kalyani, are you basically saying that you could be held criminally liable and you could be considered complicit in a crime if you allow people to move this money through your account, whether you know about it or you don't?
Well, absolutely. And it's not only about that. It's whether you allow them to move money through an account that you've opened, or alternatively, if you allow them to manipulate that money, so to withdraw those monies, take it out, give it over to them. So that's really very important. It is really a criminal offense, and you actually will be considered to be complicit in that kind of crime. So it's very, very important not to be a part of this at all.
And what can some criminals who do this very purposefully gain by money muling?
Well, at the end of the day, what happens is that they get the money into their hands, either through you drawing the money out, alternatively by you giving them the account so that they have access to this account. They have the PIN number, they're able to go and withdraw this money. And so, of course, it gives them the ability to withdraw this money and to have access to other people's money. So it's monies that they would have stolen from elsewhere, having it come into this account. And at the end of the day, you're going to be held liable. You know, you can't turn around and say to the police, I'm sorry, but I didn't even know about it, or they gave me some kind of excuse as to why they weren't able to do it. So it's really very important not to allow anybody to do that.
Kalyani, if you have become a victim of money muling, how can you prevent yourself from this repeating?
Well, the most important thing is never ever to allow it to happen to you. So if somebody comes up to you, tells you that they've got some kind of story as to why they can't open this account and why they can't allow this money to go into their account for whatever reason, absolutely don't believe it at all whatsoever. It's really so important, because at the end of the day, you're going to have to tell the police that actually you were given this reason and you were told that the person couldn't open their bank account, and so you were just trying to help them out, and you're not going to be able to explain where this money came from. And that's why it's so vitally important that you don't allow anybody to open this account so that you actually end up having to explain about where it's come from and how it got to your account.
Absolutely. Well, we've heard you loud and clear. Thank you so much, Kalyani. Now, from one scam to another, and one that seems to be becoming more prevalent, especially over the festive season, is the muti scam. So join us next week when Kalyani chats to us on how we need to remain sharp, alert at all times, and avoid becoming another victim.